Hi everyone, my name is Otis. You're welcome to Otalium's Academy. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you to all of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And for those of you who left wonderful comments and feedback, I really appreciate it. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to create your menu on your WordPress website or on any website. So the menus are just those top links on your website that link to important pages. These here, like this calls, the podcast, the webinar. So these are navigational menu. So it gives your site a kind of layout structure. It structures your website. It tells the search engine how your site is structured and the layout of your site, making it easy for search engine to crawl your website. And this also have impact on your user experience because it guides your potential visitors who are visiting your site for the first time. It gives them direction. It tells them what your site is all about. So today I want to show you how to create this menu in few seconds or in few minutes. So I'm going to go into the dashboard, or just going to go into the menu dashboard so that we can actually create a menu. So here I'll go to the customize. Actually, there are two different ways that you can create your menu. So I'm going to start here. So when I'm done here, then I take you through the other dashboard where you can also create your menu. So here I'm going to click this customize button so that it takes me into where I can actually create my menu. So the site is loading, and I'm just waiting for it to load. It's taking quite taking quite a longer time to load. So I think I have to do something about the load time. So so I'm going to come over here. So I'm going to come over here to look for. Sorry, remove this here so that we can see that. I just want to put that here. So this is. I'm going to search for the menu. Oh no, sorry. I'm going to search for my menu. So this is my menu. So I'll click on this menu. Oh, come on. So I click on this menu. So I've already created my primary menu. If I've not created it, this is the area. Once you click your menu, so it gives me this. I'm going to the primary menu. So here, which has already been set, so you can create. If not, you can also actually create it here. So you can actually create your menu here if you've not created at all. So you can create your menu here. So I'm going to go back to where I was. So this is the primary menu that I'm going to work on. So I'm going to click that. So you see here, so this is menu one that I've actually created. So I just want to begin to add this menu to my top or my primary menu. The primary menu, that's the top. So you have the primary, you have the secondary menu, and you have the footer menu. That's the trying to structure your footer in such a way that the important pages you can rearrange it. That's what it means. So trying to guide the customers on where you have important information on your website. So now I'm going to add a menu. I'm going to click here. So it's going to add menu. First of all, but at this point in time, you may have created the page that you want to appear on this menu. But if you have not created a page, we can also do it here and link this menu to your web page. So I'm going to go here to add the menu. So if I have not created a page, I can create a new page here and call it email videos. So I'm going to click on email videos and just add it. This is one of the fastest way to actually create a menu. So I'm going to click it to add it here. So it goes here. So I've just added it to my primary menu. So you can rearrange it depending on the structure that you want. So if you want this to go to the first place, so you can move it and move it back, move it to any location that you want it, but I want to leave it here. I want to leave it here. So once you're done creating that menu, what do? You click publish. So once we published it, we'll go to the website to check if it is appearing on the top menu. So I'm going to go back here. So let's see if it appears on the page menu. So for those who are using WordPress, that's what I'm using, a WordPress content management system to create my website. So you see the video here. This is the menu. It appears here. So I'm also going to walk you through the second method that you can use to create your menu, especially for beginners. Sometimes this going through the customization might be a little bit tricky. So if this is your first time in creating a website, so I'm on the dashboard now. So I'm going to scroll down to where we have appearance. So you see here the appearance. So this is one of the easiest way for beginners. This is where we all started. So I'm going to click the menu here. So it's going to take me to the menu dashboard where I can actually create my menu. So go here. I'm going to move this back here. So this is the menu dashboard. So here I can create new menu. So I can click here and assign all the navigational menu to my primary, secondary, or the filter menu. So if I click here, I'm going to create menu. I'm going to create a new menu. I just assume at this point that I haven't created any menu at all. So this is going to, sorry, the load time is it's a little bit slow because I'm still working on it. This is a new file that has so much, it's a new website that has so much files. So I'm going to create this menu. What am I going to call this menu? So I'm going to call it, social forum, or let me call it social forum. I'll call it social forum. Social forum. So what do? I'm going to click here, create menu. So this is the how you can create your menu. So you can assign it there. So I've already created the menu. So what pages do I want to go what pages do I want to assign to this social forum? On my menu, I click here, I select these, I'm going to select these, I select broadcast, I select forum, so I select this. So I'm going to add this to my main menu. So when I add it, it will all move down to this point here. So this is so easy. So here, what do? Once you've created your menu and you've created your sub category or sub menu, so you go into this place there. Where do you want it to show up? Do you want it to show it in the top navigational menu, or you want it to show on your footer menu, or you want it to be the primary menu? So you see the menu setting here. So you can actually select where you want this menu to appear. If you want it to replace the one that you have before, so you can choose this as primary menu, or you can choose this to go to add to top level pages. You can do this, you can go into that, you can use this as login. So this is where you assign the menu that you have created. Once you've done creating this menu and assigning the navigational menu to the new menu that you've created, so you just save it here. And once you save it, so you're good to go. It's as simple as this. So in less than 3 minutes, you can actually create your menu for your website. So it's just as easy as that. So we're coming to the end of this presentation, and I want to say thank you for watching, and I look forward to see you in our next presentation. And before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that when we publish new video, you'll be notified about our new video and how you can grow your business online. And we have several videos on our YouTube channel. So again, I thank you for watching. Have a great day.